It's the Carolina
It's
cook,
the
cooking
Carolina
the
cook, cooking the
Liners.
Rock and roll to the roll the rock. Said I'm cooking in the kitchen, it just don't stop. Rock and roll to the roll the rock. Said I'm cooking in the kitchen, it just don't stop.
Cooking is my specialty. Getting dirty in the kitchen like ODB. Turning these groceries into delicacies. The Carolina cook got the recipe. The Carolina cook got the recipe. The Carolina cook got the recipes.
It's the Carolina
It's
Cook
the Carolina Cook
Show. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Y'all gotta excuse that light behind me, man. I know this is a bad spot right here. All right. Hey, real quick, Chef Anthony Albrittain, the Carolina Cook, cooking the Carolinas. This is episode 22.
2 fingers on 1 hand, 2 on the other look like 4 to me.
All right, episode 22, y'all. In this episode, I will be making quick bread.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Because I'm quick bread, fool.
Pumpkin quick bread. Okay? All right. Matter of fact, it's so good it make you take this cooking oil right here, put it in your palm, rub it on nicely, rub it on like so, and smack your mama. Yeah, that was a little bit too much. Okay, y'all, I will be making quick bread, pumpkin flavored. Okay. Since Thanksgiving's coming up, this will be a good addition to any Thanksgiving dinner. Even though I'm not cooking this for Thanksgiving. I'm just doing a quick bread video. So now that all my ingredients are prepped, what you want to do is mix all the dry ingredients. So mix your flour, sift it, of course, your sugar, your salt, and your baking powder. And I have the oven, little tank, preheating to 400 degrees. Now what you want to do is go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. Now what you want to do is mix your wet ingredients. That would be, well, I'll be back. I gotta melt this shortener.
Shortening the snowman.
Okay, now that my shortening is melted, all right, so we're going to combine our wet ingredients. That would be the eggs, vanilla extract.
Why do I always call vanilla extract
Put our shortening
abstract?
in there. And now milk. And we're going to combine them. Now what we want to do is combine our wet and dry ingredients. And you just want to fold everything until it's incorporated. You don't want to beat it where it's too fine. You want a rough texture, like as if you're baking muffins or something. You're using the muffin method. You just want to combine everything until all the dry ingredients dissipate into the wet. The goal is not to stir it until it's smooth, because you will end up developing too much gluten, which will result in a nice tough, rough texture, quick bread. All right, now I'm going to fold my pumpkin into there.
Let's take a sec to think back. Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her.
Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. I don't know, y'all. Pumpkin just made me go back to my childhood for a minute. All right, now I'm gonna add this bread to this pan. I don't know if that's too much or not, but I'm using non-stick cooking butter spray. But you can use oil or whatever to coat your pan. All right, so this is a bread pan. It's smelling pretty good, y'all. Remember back in the old school days when your mama used to make cakes? Rest in peace, mama. Your mama used to make those good cakes and give you the bowl and the spoon and let you eat the batter. But it was about 7 of us up in the house, 7 kids. So that wasn't always easy. You could end up fighting over that spoon. That tastes delicious, y'all. I swear that tastes good, y'all. This is gonna be a good quick cake. Quick bread. Quick breads are just stuff that you mix quickly, like your cornbreads and stuff like that. Smooth the top of it. I'ma just act like I don't see all this cooking spray residue on the counter and sitting on top of this quick bread. It's hard for me because I'm using a spoon to smooth it. All right, now I got little Tink heating up.
Oh, little Tink.
To 400. You just want to put your quick bread in there. Let it go. 45 minutes to an hour. That's it. All right, y'all, my quick bread is coming along nicely, but it's starting to get a little too brown on the top. Let me check this out. Let me check it. Make sure it's dry on the inside. Not quite as dry as I would like it to be, but it's browning too quick on the top. So I'm gonna just slap this foil over the top. Okay, y'all, let's hope I don't mess this up. Quick bread, ready. How do I know it's ready? Skewer came out clean, dry. Now, here comes the scary part of trying to transfer this quick bread from the pan to the cooling rack. What you do, place a clean towel on top of the quick bread, right? Flip it out of the pan. Onto that clean towel. All right. Place it onto the rack and flip it over. I did it. I did it. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. That's it, y'all. Quick bread. I'm gonna let it cool down. And we're gonna cut into it to see what the consistency is. Y'all remember when you was young? You remember when your mama be baking that cake? And you know, my mama was known for baking good cakes. All right. So it was always a good cake baking. And so you remember when you was little and you couldn't walk across the floor? Boy, don't you stomp on that floor. Boy, don't you walk hard on that floor. Because it was a chance of you making the cake collapse. Remember those days? But here's the moment of truth, y'all. I'm using a paring knife instead of a bread knife because I want a nice clean cut on this.
I mean a deboning knife.
Let's slice this thing. It's a little crispy there. Ooh wee. Ooh, and it's steaming. Steam coming out of it. All right. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, I'm steaming. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at how nice and fluffy that is on the inside. Look at that. It's really tasty too, y'all. Now, this is what I call getting dough and making bread. This is making bread right here. All right. Ooh, that's hot. Ah, that's hot. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all. I didn't put this in the video, but what I'm having with my pumpkin quick bread is some sweet potato soup. I have it garnished with heavy cream, heavy whipping cream, and a little bit of mint, you know, some mint leaves on there, you know. And I have to tell y'all that this is some good soup. But my bad, y'all. This video is not about the soup. It's about the quick bread. Like, share the love, and subscribe. Liketh, shareth, and subscribeth thou unto my channel.